Hello, everyone. Well, once again, we're back into ancient land, and I got this padlock called a Climax padlock, and it looked like a warded lock. You look in there, and it's got a really hefty ward. I could not get it open with the warded stuff, and the warded picks. And the way I got it open was I took this guy and snaked him in there and basically got him to where this wire is coming up here and grab this hook and open it. But I found an easier way to get into it. Alright, so that's one. I'll show you the easier way. Oops, sorry, bumped it. This Yale padlock, railroad lock. It came locked, and it came with some, looks like they're homemade non-functioning keys. And I say non-functioning because you see that little lip right there? That's all you really gotta engage to get this, but I think this thing was cut too short. Anytime you've got a cutout like this, and you've got a barrel key that goes in there, usually it sticks at least, it covers at least that. Sorry, I'm trying to do this through the camera and having a hard time. Anyways, this thing goes through there, and when it turns, it wasn't engaging the pawl. See how it pulls it back a little bit, but it wasn't getting it all the way. So I messed around with it, and basically found out the same way I get into this one, same way I can get into this one. But what I'd taken was a meat skewer, and I'd ground it off, and I tried to hook it in there and angle it around and tried to make it look like, work like a key and lever that. And then I took a big screwdriver and I just tried to push that. But the way you can get into this lock, let's close this puppy if I can. Oh, it won't let me close because I gotta turn that latch back. But the way I got into that one is, oh shit, dropping things, a broken pick. I went through this side right here and levered against that latch. See how it pushes it back like that? Let me see if it'll let me lock it this way. Get in there. Oops. Earthquake! Earthquake! Stop it. Yeah. There, I locked it. Stop the earthquake. Alright, so you just get in here. See if I can do it on camera. Move out of the way. We're working here. Trying to do it through the camera. I've never done it through the camera. That's what she said. Right, another mini earthquake. Damn it. There we go. I think I got somewhere. I think I'm getting somewhere. I may break me broken pick. Ah! Earthquake! This one will have to be... This video has to be recommended that motion sickness pills are included. Alright. Let's get back here. Let me sit down. Stop trying to even look through the camera. But yeah, I messed around, trying to hold that latch back and everything. I figured if you can just get a pick through here and push, you can get this thing open. Damn it. open my broken pick again. Alright, get in there. Oh. Not grunting enough. Right. Anyway, let me demonstrate what I was trying to do on the other one. It works on the same principle. There's a cutout right here, and there's a pawl right there, and when it closes, you think, wow, man, I don't have any room to get in there with, I think I used a regular pick. Oops, not a broken one. I think I used this guy. Just use the back side of him and got in there. Maybe it was the front side, I don't know. Oh. Well, you saw they were open. This guy had no key when he came with him. I'm going to break this guy. There we go. He's coming up. I'll feel it. There. You do the same thing with this Yale guy. Let me see if I can get this pick in here. Maybe he'll have better luck. I mean, just be careful, you know, if you're using a regular pick, because you stand a good chance of breaking it. That's why I was using a broken pick on this one, because I knew most of these are, they're more like spring locks, but they're huge springs on them. So you need to use a lot of force on it. And then they usually have other immovable things, so if you're trying to use the same amount of force on those, you'll wind up snapping a, breaking a pick, which I've already broken. Let's see, here's a nice long broken one here. I'll make a good probie. Off-screen battles. Come on. I'm going to have to pause this. I don't want to just have this thing run. Finally, I bent the crap out of this guy, but I had to get in there and lever him in there. But you can get it through the shackle on this, even though it doesn't look like it. So there you go. There's a couple of them. I also got this guy in, but he's one of those. It looks like it's warded, but it's one of those lever locks. And then an old Yale bike lock with the key. Just to add to the Yale stuff. So there you go. Sorry I couldn't show you that opening on camera, but that's how I got it open. But basically slivering in there and levering this guy back with a pick. Thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone.